Dude, look at this sick duck.
You guys will never believe where we are right now.
We're at a motherfucking car meet.
First damn car meet of the year.
And it's like 15 degrees out.
Yeah, we don't have an external mic today, so sorry if the audio is junk. So we're at Pro Car right now, and there's no more customer parking, so we have to move. Dustin's coming! So now we can't be in this parking lot because security right over there is kicking us all out. So there's literally no spots in the other parking spot, and now we can't be here. So I'm not sure what's happening. So we're just kind of following Jake now. Alright, we're at the third parking lot now. Hopefully we don't get shut down. Starting to snow. March 10th right now, first car meet of the year.
Hell yeah.
Is it a base or?
Boys, it's good to be.
It ain't no February races though.
Only Minnesota we go to a car meet when it's snowing. Look at Neffy's hair.
See it?
The thing I'm pissed about is that it took this long to have a car meet or anything. Because February 9th last year, the 10th, literally a month ago, like
1 month ago, we were at the races. So
Well,
you
a
can
year-
look back,
a
yeah,
year.
a year ago. You
Yeah.
can look at the videos and
Month
we were
and a year.
actually street racing.
Yeah.
This year, nothing.
Ooh. Brother.
gross.
There's nowhere else to park. I already met a subscriber.
Hey, boy.
Recognized me. I was like,
You're hard to miss, Ben.
I was like, what's that supposed to mean? Saying I'm a large target.
Don't care about the subscriber that came to talk to us? He just did, yeah. Oh,
recognized
sorry.
you, boy.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going for a walk around. See what we can see. Got a Civic outside.
Wait, did you explain about last weekend's meet? How only like 20 people showed up, and then it was like 600 for this one, and then it get closed right away when we got here, so everyone just rolled to Pro Car, and then rolled right here, and it's a clusterfuck, but it's March, like,
Yeah.
fuck it.
We'll see how much of that is actually understandable.
Oh, those lights on that Evo are sick.
Those are fucking hot.
Fuego.
I smell pot.
Say,
Interstellar, brother.
Brother. That smelly smell.
Quote and a half of our childhood right there.
most
See lambed.
I mean, it's March. Like, just wait till it actually gets nice out. We can bring the actual cars out that are
Yeah,
actually
Sky's
good,
coming up.
including the Miata, you know.
Yeah, we got a few Z's I saw, a couple FRSs, got an RX-8, a bunch of STs, a bunch of trucks, and a bunch of winter beaters. Yeah?
That BMW
Indeed.
fuego.
Yeah, this BMW's hot as hell over there.
Trash bar.
Ooh, these wheels, though. Salad shooters. Ben, those are your type of wheels right there, bud.
some shooters.
Yep. Yeah, we got the winter beater lineup going.
Is it though?
I hope so.
If you're looking at
We can
this
only
car,
hope.
I don't think this is a winner beater. Just not a chance. Hemorrhoids.
Don't please never again.
You say you have hemorrhoids?
Where you're walking.
Got a bunch of Subarus over here. Typical.
See too many of those.
And now we're back to our cars. Don't have a banner anymore. I gotta get a new freaking banner. The winter ruined it. Actually, my dad ruined it, but it was the winter. Junker. Taking a picture of the GTA.
Bell and twist.
Flashlights.
I mean,
People are getting so reckless right now. Settle down. Jesus. People freak the hell out when cops come.
Isn't even coming in.
He didn't even come in the parking
Doesn't
lot.
even give a fuck. He's just going to get whoever fucking pulls out.
hates bitch ass with this.
This isn't St. Paul, it's street racing. This is like a chill meet, everyone's hanging out. It's Northern Tier, they ain't fucking doing shit. Like,
Kyle, can you please say tool again?
Tool.
You said it a little bit.
Well, everybody's pulling out now.
What a great way to leave.
I like my bumper how it's not melted.
Oh, he turned his lights on.
I'm gonna ride with Andrew so I can.
Well, we should probably get out of here. Yeah, back to my house.
Oh, I gotta get my truck from McDonald's.
All right. All right.
Hey, green black house.
All right, let's get the hell out of here.
And you take yours.
All right, so we made it back safe. Enough. Almost got in a wreck. Fucking drive safe when you're out there at the races, but
Not races.
yeah, it's not the races, just the meet. Random little meet. Anyways, yeah, this is the end of the video. We're just chilling.
Oh, so you go over fucking Justin and I super fast.
What an ass.
Justin,
Yeah.
If you want to avoid crashes,
Don't drive a 350.
don't drive by Kias. I mean,
Yeah, it was a Kia. It was black Kia. If you drive that black Kia.
fuck you.
That was a
Fuck
lot
you.
bigger turnout than I expected. For sure. They said 600 people say they were going on Facebook, and if we would have stayed in that first spot, I bet there would have been twice the amount of people.
even at that last spot, I'd give it a rough 400. I mean, it was a fuck of a lot.
Yeah, the first spot literally was completely full. There was no spots in the parking
One
lot.
comment: if a fucking cop shows up, don't just run.
Yeah.
Like,
Yep.
You're
Everyone
not
just
gonna get in
runs.
trouble.
They would have
They're
been
just gonna
fine.
kick you out.
And don't
run.
drift your Kia, and don't rev your Subaru to make it pop.
Luke Cody.
Yeah, if your name's Luke Cody, red line is not impressive. Two-step, not impressive. Backfires, not impressive.
Those flames, though.
Yeah,
Gotta
that
give that to
flame
you.
was
Flames,
cool.
Gotta
flames.
give that to you.
We'll give them the flames. We'll give them the
Civic
flames.
drivers, like, just tone it down.
Yeah.
Tone it down a little bit.
Especially that one with the big the exhaust
the big
out the
fucking-
hood.
Jesus.
The dumper. Insert clip now.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the longest outro of all.
Anyways,
fucking
we'll
time.
see you on.
We had to get the points across. You guys gotta understand.
It's gonna be a short video. We're making it up for the outro.
Justin, you have to say something. You didn't say shit.
I don't know what to say. I'm on the spot.
Right there, man.
Alright, well, guys, yeah, peace.